I wonder where Raa Raa is. Oh!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa Raa loves a big surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa Raa loves a big surprise.
You certainly gave me a surprise, Raa Raa.
I've got a big surprise for my friends too. Look! I put a tooty horn under my chair. So if anyone sits on it, it goes...
Very funny, Raa Raa.
I just need to wait for a friend to walk past now.
Still waiting, Raa Raa?
Yes. I know! I'll go and find them.
Have fun, Raa Raa.
Hey! Woohoo! Yippee! Woo!
Raa Raa, you made me jump. Raa Raa, you gave us a surprise.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa Raa loves a big surprise. I'm giving everyone surprises today. Ooh, I'm making a funny noise.
Raa Raa, you've got hiccups.
Hiccups?
Not hiccups, hiccups.
Hiccups. They make my tummy do jumpy jiggles. Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
Can hiccups make you jump really high on the trampolines? Can they?
Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Oh no! These hiccupy hiccups are no good for jumping on the trampoline.
Maybe they can help you swing really high.
Oh no! I can't jump. I can't swing. And I can't play surprise with my friends. I don't want hiccups anymore.
Oh, poor Raa Raa. How can we make his hiccups go away? Have you got a book about hiccups, Topsy? Let me see. The Little Book of Big Problems. I wonder if there's anything in here. Here we are, hiccups. A surprise sometimes makes hiccups go away.
A surprise?
Yes, if we give you a surprise, your hiccups might go away. You go for a quiet walk, Raa Raa, and we'll creep up and give you a surprise.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Raa Raa. Surprise you soon.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to get a big surprise.
Boo?
Oh, hello, Zebby. Are you going to surprise me?
I just did. Have your hiccups gone?
Maybe. Oh, no.
Oh, sorry, Raa Raa.
That's okay. Thanks for trying, Zebby.
Maybe Topsy's better at surprises. Ooh! Boo! Raa Raa? Where is he? Raa! Oof!
Hello, Topsy. Are you going to surprise me?
I just tried to. Have your hiccups gone?
Oh, no.
Ow, ow, ow!
Hi, Ooo Ooo. Were you surprising me then?
Yes! Did it work?
Oh, no! I don't think my hiccups will ever go away. Oh.
Sounds like you've got hiccups, Raa Raa.
Yes, and I don't want them anymore.
What you need is a surprise to make them go away.
Tried that, but it didn't work.
Oh, dear.
Surprise! Raa Raa, did your hiccups go away? Oh!
Thanks for trying, though.
What was that?
I forgot. I put a tooty horn under the chair to surprise you all.
What a big surprise! Raa Raa, I think your hiccups have gone.
You're right. They have gone.
Hooray!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa Raa had the big surprise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raa Raa had the big surprise.
Well done, Raa Raa. Oh, was that you, Raa Raa?
It was me! Now I need a big surprise.
You always get a surprise in the Jingly Jangly Jungle. Bye. See you soon. Looking for noisy fun.
Oh.
Hello, Raa Raa. Why so grumpy today?
I don't like rainy days. I want to play with my friends in the sun.
Oh dear, that's a pity. The rain does make a good noise though, doesn't it?
Noise? I like noise.
Shh, Raa Raa. Listen.
Oh, yes. Pitter-patter, 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 pitter-patter. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, what a rainy day. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, what a rainy day. Pitter-patter, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain.
That looks like fun, Raa Raa.
It is. Can the rain make any other noises?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm going to find out. Let's juggly jump to it. Hello, Crocky.
Oh, hello, Raa Raa.
What's wrong?
I don't like rainy days. The rain is drip-dropping through a hole in my roof.
Oh, no!
I need something to catch the drops. Have you got a bucket?
Yes! Wait here. Here, one bucket. Come on, let's go. Pitter-patter, what a rainy day. Pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain. Oh!
Oh. Great job. Thanks, Raa Raa.
The rain makes a lovely noise in the bucket. Listen. It goes plink, plonk, clink, plonk.
Oh, yes.
Plink, plonk, clink, plonk, clink, plonk, clink, plonk. Wahey! Now I've got 2 rainy day noises. Plink, plonk and pitter-patter. Plink, plonk, pitter-patter, what a rainy day. Plink, plonk, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain. Plink, plonk, pitter-patter, what a rainy day. Plink, plonk, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain. Listen, I can hear a splish-splash.
It's the rain splashing in the river.
Splish, splash,
Plink, plonk,
what a rainy day. Splish, splash, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain.
Rainy day noises are fun.
Maybe Huffty has some good noises at his house.
We're going to get really wet on our way to his house.
Oh, no, we won't. Look!
Hats! Good idea, Raa Raa. Splish, splash, plink, plonk, what a rainy day. Splish, splash, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain.
What's so funny, Raa Raa?
I can hear the rain drip-dropping on my hat. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. Crocky, can you hear the rain on your hat too?
Yes, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop.
It's another rainy day noise.
Drip, drop, splish, splosh, what a rainy day. Plink, plonk, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain. Drip, drop, splish, splosh, what a rainy day. Plink, plonk, pitter-patter, rain, rain, rain. That's funny. Do it again.
What noise does Huffty's doorbell make? It's not a drip-drop
Or a plink, plonk. Or a splish, splash.
or a pitter-patter. Gurgle, wurgle. It makes a gurgly-wurgly noise.
Gurgle, wurgle. Woohoo! Another great rainy day noise. Gurgle, wurgle, drip, drop, splish, splosh, plink, plonk, pitter-patter, pitter-patter, what a rainy day. Gurgle, wurgle, drip, drop, splish, splosh, plink, plonk, pitter-patter, pitter-patter, what a rainy day.
Hi, Raa Raa. Hi, Crocky. What happened to my doorbell?
It's the rain.
I don't like rainy days.
We do. We're finding rainy day noises.
It's lots of fun. We found pitter-patter, plink-plonk, splish-splosh, drip-drop and gurgle-wurgle.
Ooh, can I help find some too?
Yes, of course you can, Huffty. Come on. Shh! Let's listen for some more rainy noises. Oh no! It stopped raining!
Oh. The sun's come out.
Oh. No more gurgle wurgles or drip drops.
Or plink plonks. Or pitter patters.
Oh.
What's wrong, Raa Raa?
It stopped raining and the sun has come out.
I thought you liked the sun.
I do, but I love rainy days too. I love drip drops and pitter patters and... Oh, look! Puddles! Woohoo! Yippee!
That's a good noise, Raa Raa.
Ooh, yippee!
Yay!
Yippee!
Hooray! Yippee!
Woohoo!
What are you doing?
I found a new rainy day noise in the puddle.
Huh? The puddle?
Yes! The puddle makes a splooshy noise. Listen to this. Sploosh, sploosh, splooshy, sploosh. Sploosh, sploosh, splooshy, sploosh.
Hey! Sploosh! Sploosh!
Sploosh, 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 sploosh,
Sploosh!
sploosh, 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 sploosh. Hey, it's raining again!
I love rainy days. Me too.
And me!
Slush, slosh, gurgle, wurgle, drip, drop, splish, splash, plink, plonk, pitter, patter, what a rainy day.
Rainy days can be lots of fun in the jingly jangly jungle, especially with Raa Raa, the noisy lion. Oh, look, there's Raa Raa. Hello, Raa Raa. That looks like fun. What is it?
It's my new toy. I made it. Can you guess what it is?
Is it maybe... I don't know.
I'll show you. It's my swingy, wingy, bally, catching toy. Yes, I did it!
Well done, Raa Raa. That's very clever.
Thank you. My new toy is so much fun. I'm going to show everyone.
Good for you, Raa Raa. Have fun.
It's my new toy, Zebby. Can you guess what it is?
Is it a telescope? I know. It's a twirly-whirly stick.
Good guess, Zebby, but no. It's a swingy, wingy, bally, catching toy. See?
That's clever. But are you sure it's not a twirly-whirly stick?
I'm very sure. Come on, let's show someone else. My new toy is so much fun. Let's go and show everyone.
Raa Raa, wait for me.
It's my new toy, Crocky. Can you guess what it is?
I think so. It's a swishy, wishy fishing rod.
Good guess, but no. It's a swingy, wingy, bally, catching toy.
Oh.
See?
I guessed it was a twirly-whirly stick. Are you sure it's not a swishy-wishy fishing rod?
I'm sure. Come on. My new toy is so much fun. Let's go and show everyone.
Wait for us, Raa Raa. Hello, everyone.
What's this? It's my new toy, Ooo Ooo. Can you guess what it is?
Yes. I'll show you what it is. It's a boingy bangy drum beater.
Good guess, Ooo Ooo, but no. It's a swingy, wingy, bally catching toy. See?
Ah. I guessed it was a twirly-whirly stick. And I guessed it was a swishy fishing rod.
No, it's definitely a swingy, wingy, bally catching toy.
Hello, everyone. I heard lots of drumming. Ooh, what's that, Raa Raa?
It's my new toy, Huffty. Can you guess what it is?
It's a tooty-hooty trumpet.
Good guess, Huffty, but no. It's a swingy, wingy, bally catching toy. Ta-da!
I guessed it was a boingy bangy drum beater. I guessed it was a twirly-whirly stick. I guessed it was a swishy fishing rod.
Are you sure? It sounds like a tooty-hooty trumpet.
Yes, I'm sure. Come on, let's show Topsy. My new toy is so much fun. Let's go and show everyone.
Raa Raa, wait for us!
It's my new toy, Topsy. Can you guess what it is?
I guessed it was a boy.
I'm not sure. I think one of my books might have the answer. No, it's not one of those. I wonder if it's a... Ah! No, I don't know what it is.
Oh! I think it's a boingy bangy drum beater. Or a swishy fishing rod. What about a twirly-whirly stick?
Or a tooty-hooty trumpet. Okay, but I think... Shush, please! It's Raa Raa's toy, so I think we should ask him. Oh, where is Raa Raa?
He was here, but now he isn't.
Do you think Raa Raa is upset?
We didn't really let him show Topsy his new toy, did we? Because we were playing with it.
I'd like to know what Raa Raa's new toy is.
That's easy! It's a boy.
I know what you think it is, Ooo Ooo, but I'd like Raa Raa to tell me what he thinks it is.
Oh, good idea.
Come on, everyone. Let's go and find Raa Raa.
Hello, Raa Raa. Where's your new toy?
Everyone else is playing with it.
But that's okay, isn't it? You're sharing.
Well, yes, but I didn't get to show Topsy how it works.
Raa, where are you?
Raa Raa, there you are. We're sorry we didn't let you show Topsy how your toy works.
We got a bit excited.
I can't guess what your toy is, Raa Raa. Will you show me, please?
Well, okay. It's a swingy, wingy, bally catching toy. See?
Oh, it's a
Shh,
boingy.
Ooo Ooo. It's Raa Raa's toy.
Actually, it's also a brilliant twirly-whirly stick. Go on, Zebby. And a swishy-wishy fishing rod. And a boingy-bangy drum beater. And a tooty-hooty trumpet. It's an everything toy for everyone to play with.
Hooray for Raa Raa!
Are you having fun, Raa Raa?
Yes! My new toy is the best toy ever.
Well done, Raa Raa.